We'll guide you through how to download ClickUp onto your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and type in clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login or sign up button in the top right corner. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to create one by clicking Sign Up and filling in your details. Now, once you have an account, download the desktop app. Go to your web browser and type Download ClickUp. Click on the page, click Download ClickUp for desktop. This will lead you to a new page where you can choose your operating system. Select either Windows or Mac, depending on your computer, and click the Download button. Once the download completes, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. It usually involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and choosing a location for the installation. Once installed, open the ClickUp app from your Applications or Programs folder. You'll be prompted to log in again, so use the same credentials you used earlier. And there you have it. ClickUp is now installed on your desktop, ready for you to organize your tasks and projects efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.